we're here with Dell at CES 2024 to check out the brand new XPS laptops. The Plus is gone, but it lives on in spirit. Let's find out what's going on. All right, so I know what you're thinking. Tony, that's the Dell XPS Plus. Why are you holding an old laptop? No, this is actually the brand new XPS 13. No Plus, just 13, but obviously it shares a lot of the same design language, if not all of the design language of the 13 Plus. You have effectively a hidden touchpad here. It's still here, and I can't convey this in video, but you can still feel it, still haptics, and you get the capacitive row here. In terms of resolution, the 13-inch has 3K. Moving on up, the 14-inch has 3.2K, and lastly, the 16-inch has 4K. So you have a wide range of options, and I personally think the resolutions match their respective screen sizes. Another really cool thing about the Dell XPS line is that at launch, they're gonna have a dedicated Windows Copilot mode. So you can just click on that and have Microsoft's AI help you out with all your computing tasks. Very cool stuff. In terms of computing power, all of these laptops have an H processor, so you're gonna not lose anything there. With the 13-inch, you're just gonna have integrated graphics, which is decent enough if you wanna do some light gaming, but nothing too heavy. Starting with the 14-inch laptop and the 16-inch, you could have integrated graphics, NVIDIA, so even though these aren't dedicated gaming laptops, you can still play a lot of modern games at great resolution and high settings. Even though you can't see the touchpad, you instinctively know where it is. As for the function row, it is interesting that all of these are still not exactly buttons, but they also have haptics as well. So right here, we're actually checking out the new 1080p webcam. It actually is a lot sharper. I'm noticing it just myself. Like, not only is it sharper, but the colors are a lot more vibrant than before. And this is for all the XPS laptops now, which is really cool. Now, I know that the Dell XPS Plus design has been controversial, but I personally am glad that all the new XPS laptops share that design language. But if you feel differently, please let me know in the comments below. For everything else that Tom's Guy is doing at CES, make sure you follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Once again, I was Tony Polanco, and I'll see you around. Later.